Hello all. In this example, we are solving the same example as the last one. Only now we will be determining its moment of inertia about the vertical centroidal axis of this entire figure. So for that we will have to determine the location of the vertical centroidal axis. Vertical centroidal axis का location निकालना है, मतलब we have to determine its distance from y-axis, which means we have to determine its x bar, and vertical centroidal axis के about moment of inertia निकालना है, मतलब we have to determine I y y. Okay, again last time हमने इसको जैसे break किया था. This is your section 1. The rectangular part will be our section 2 and third triangular will be our section 3 and the semicircular part will be our section 4. Making the table section area x and ax, right? Section 1 is your right angle triangle, उसका area आपका आया था 3 into 10 to the power 3. Section 2 was our rectangle, again उसका area was 2.4 into 10 to the power 4. Again you had rectangle 3 into 10 to the power 3, and at last we had a semicircle whose area was 1.57 into 10 to the power 4. Now determining x. X is your distance from y-axis, right? X is your distance from y-axis. So here distance from y-axis for a right angle triangle, when the y-axis at another end and is not at the right angled end, it will be 2b by 3, 2 times of b by 3. So for first you will have 2b by 3. Your b for a triangle is 50, so 2 into 50 by 3, it comes out to be 33.33. Now for this rectangular का vertical centroidal axis will be at 100 and plus this 50, so it will be 50 plus 100, so it will be 150. 100 क्यों आया? Because it is b by 2. Your b is 200. 200 by 2 is 100, and then you have 50. Then for this another right angle triangle, we know that for a right angle triangle, from its 90-degree का angle, the vertical centroidal axis is at b by 3. So this will be 50 by 3 plus this much distance. This is 200 and this is 50, so it will be 250 plus b by 3, and it comes out as 266.67. and now for the semicircular area, for a semicircle it lies at the center. इसका center is at 100 and this triangle has a base of 50, so 100 plus 50 is 150. I will repeat these vertical centroidal axis of individual figures once. For a right angle triangle, when vertical axis is at the other end is not collinear with your 90-degree ka angle, it is lying at 2b by 3. The rectangle's centroidal axis lies at 200 by 2, but we need its distance from this axis, so it is 100 plus this much is 50, so we took it as 50 plus 100. Similarly for this right angle triangle, यहाँ पर आपका y-axis है, तो यहाँ से आपका distance from y-axis comes out as b by 3. So from this point, ये इतना distance plus b by 3, itna distance was 250 plus b by 3. And for semicircle, it lies on the center. So this is the radius. Radius is 100 and this much distance was 50. So 100 plus 50 is 150. Area into x का values आता है आपका 9.99 into 10 to the power 4 for section 1, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 for section 2, 8 into 10 to the power 5 for section 3, and 2.3 into 10 to the power 6 for section 4. Now we have to determine x bar, and the formula for x bar will be, this fourth section is to be deducted. So you will have a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 minus a4 x4 upon a1 plus A2 plus A3 minus A4. So your X bar comes out to be 153.84 mm. That means the horizontal, that means the vertical centroidal axis, X bar is your distance from Y axis. So your vertical centroidal axis will lie at 153 from this point, 153.84 mm from this point.